Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up your account. You usually need to do so when you're first time using the Labii and then you are being provided access by your administrator from Labii or from your company administrators. And then usually you will receive an email called your Labii access, and then if you open this email you will find there's a button called get my access. If you are not able to find this email, please check your spam folder. You may able to find your email from there. Once you receive this email, just simply click this button and then this will give you this kind of interface to allow you to just put in additional information. For example, your first name, last name, and then you check your email address and then put in your password. And then there's some other options for you to do, for example, the phone number, MFA, time zone, and on and on. So I'm going to just simply put in my password from here. So once I put in password and I'm able to log in, and then as you see from here, and then I can just simply click the organization to the information is all inside. So that should be it. For the security reasons, this link can only be used once, and then if you're trying to do it at the second time, like let me give you an example. Was if I open this one, and then I'm trying to put in a different kind of password over here, and then you will see you will get some error called invalid secret because the secret already been used. So if you made a mistake at the first time and then you failed to actually providing the password or any other information, you need to contact your administrator to have them send you another email. Yeah, so that's basically the steps to set up your account, and then feel free to reach out if you have any questions.